No, you cannot. Can you hear it? Yeah, take a picture right here.
Yeah, hold the football though. Yeah, there you go.
El Camino High School's here.
That's cool.
Celebration from 11 to 12. Oh,
Good. Bathroom?
just missed it.
No, right.
Wait a minute, restroom. I gotta use the restroom.
Okay.
Bathroom?
Can you get in line?
For what?
This ride?
You can go on the top or the bottom. So give me the backpack. Because I'm not going to get on. Go, Genesis. I'll meet you guys back over there, okay?
Yeah, I'll take some churros.
You want a churro or not churros fine. What about you?
Hi guys, it's me. We're gonna get some churros from here. Super cool place. I think it might be my first or second time here. Super cool.
And the cream also? Thank you.
Anybody want to give Snoopy a kiss?
I do.
No way. No way. Yeah.
You guys want to get on the bumper cars? Right there.
Finish that churro.
Go get in line. See where they're going?
Finish it.
You can finish it in line. Go ahead. Snoopy, you behave yourself. Oh, look at you guys. Smack. Oh yeah, now it's done. Of course she wants to try one. Give me the wheel. Horrible.
Now we're cooking with gas.
Uh-oh, here we go. Yeah, let's go in here.
Better than the pizza at Knott's Berry.
Maybe, maybe not.
Hey, did you see people just walking over filling up their cups?
The only thing,
It's wide open.
Right.
the only thing different about California's Great America is that they have different names for like all the other theme parks that are related to it.
I let these cats
Right
see it.
Go sit down.
That's what I was asking. That's what they didn't shoot, they got sneaky. I thought that those were moths. So I was no.
Let's sit them down and go in there.
So this is the margarita here at California's Great America. It's on tap, so it's pre-mixed. But you know, what was it, like $20? They also have a pina colada, but that's frozen. I'm not trying to drink or chew while I drink. There's definitely tequila in there. Cheap tequila, but tequila nonetheless. I don't think we'll need this. Let's just take it out of the drink. Should try that.
I just cut the whole thing in half.
Something floating in my drink.
Well, let me see. Let me see.
You got red mini meteor.
Well, the good thing is it's not super sweet.
Right.
It's more tequila flavored than it is mixer.
Oh,
Left them $1 tip since they did the tahini.
Pretty good though, huh?
Yeah.
Considering. You guys want to go jump on that?
Sure.
Go get in line.
After all.
Yeah. You can take that with you. You're gonna be in the, you'll be in the sun, man. You might need that.
oh yeah.
There they're off again. Gotten on a couple of things already. No, one thing, huh?
No, they did the bumper cars and the carousel.
Bumper cars and a carousel.
And that Flying Eagles is similar to a ride at Knott's Berry Farm. Can't remember the name there, but as you'll see when they get on, that thing goes about 5 times faster, twice as high. Which is probably why the line is that long. And over there, that's the
Is that the line? Oh, it is. So, here we are at California's Great America. It's peanut celebration today, 420. Kids. All right, so they've gotten on a couple of rides. They got on the bumper cars. They got on the carousel. Carousel, they jumped right on. Bumper cars, they waited in line. There was one guy running the whole show.
It looks like they took out some of the bumper cars,
Yeah.
so it took a little bit longer to cycle through. So we had to wait about 3 cycles before they got on.
And each cycle is probably about 10 minutes because there's one guy doing everything. He's letting people in. He's making sure they're fastened, the seatbelts are correct, and checking the exits, and doing all that. So each cycle is probably about 10 minutes. So we waited for about 30 minutes for the kids to ride the bumper cars. But now they wanted to go jump on this ride, and they had
Eagles.
the Flying Eagles, and they had the nerve to say the line was too long. So they just ran over to jump on something else. We're enjoying our margarita.
Just had a little mishap at Pizza Orleans.
I don't understand what that was all about. They have pizzas sitting on, I mean, people are waiting. It's cheese pizza, pepperoni pizza, breadsticks.
That's all they sell.
Well, they have salads and stuff too, but it's a salad. Nobody's ordering salads. There are a bunch of people standing there waiting on slices of pizza. And
About 5 slices sitting under the
heating lamp. Yeah. And
about 7 people waiting for pizza.
breadsticks. Dude's like, the breadsticks come out, he takes them one at a time, and he takes a brush and he's slowly brushing
The garlic butter.
the garlic butter onto the breadstick. One at a time. It's
5
like-
people in front of us waiting for slices. Nobody says anything though.
Well, somebody said something.
We had to say something because we were not going to stand there for 25 minutes like the guy in front of us. And even after we said something, it took another 7 minutes to get all of the food, which was 2 slices of pizza and 2 breadsticks. And for that, we were rewarded with a free slice of pizza that we didn't ask for, but were given. And we're going to take it.
Right, I wouldn't go. I tried to talk her out of it, but she insisted, it seemed like. She was like, so you want one and you want one? I was like, 1 slice.
And she handed us
1
2.
slice for you and 1 slice. She still brought out 2. Gave her 1, gave me 1. I'm like, all right, I'll take it. So we shared a slice, and of course she had the pepperoni and he had the cheese slice, and they had a breadstick apiece, 1 lemonade. Got the bundle, including the meal plan, the dining plan.
Which is actually worth it because
It's more than worth it.
we forgot to activate it and we stopped and got a funnel cake and 2 churros. That was $37.
And we could actually only have to pay for either the churros or the funnel cake. Not sure, because the bundle plan includes 1 entree and 1 side. I don't know what that would have been at the churro and the funnel cake place, but
So what is it? It's about an extra $30 if you bundle the plan with the ticket. The ticket was $39.99. So it's $69.
yes, with-
$69.99. So a slice of pizza with a breadstick was about $15. So for that $30,
it's
extra-
already paid for itself pretty much
Yeah.
with that 1 slice of pizza.
Yeah, if you throw in the free one.
The free one, right. So
And
Every
the park
90
closes
minutes.
at 8. We can eat every 90 minutes until then, and it will more than pay for itself. So definitely add that on, even if you have to add it on to more than 1 admission. We just got 1 just to see what it was like. I don't think we'll be eating a whole bunch of food here,
Yeah,
but
no.
we're definitely going to get our money's worth with that meal plan. We just need to eat 2 more times, if that, and it's paid for itself. And this was about $20. You don't have to get the tahini, but they offered. They did have a frozen pina colada, which we opted against because
it's frozen.
it's frozen.
It was on tap, the margarita. So I asked because, it used to be where they would serve you a margarita, but the alcohol would be a wine as opposed to tequila. So I asked him, and he said, yeah, it's tequila. It's just pre-mixed and it's on tap. Sabe, S-A-B-E, margarita. And it's good. Very good. So we haven't done much yet, but what we have, it's worth it. We're out here. It's a beautiful day out here.
And the cost of admission for Great America has declined greatly
Right.
because it's not as popular as it was when we were the kids' ages. But it's still a nice experience. It's pretty crowded. There's still lines for these rides, but it's not overwhelming. You can find somewhere to sit.
Yeah, it's not Disneyland
You're
crowded.
not waiting for hours. You're waiting for
Yeah.
minutes. Yeah, it's not what it used to be, but it's still It's still worth it, especially considering the ticket prices start at $39.99.
For kids.
Where are you going to get that?
And right now they have a deal going where everybody plays for the kids' price. So you pay the kids' price as an adult. So it's like $40, $45 to get in.
And again, it's the peanut celebration. We attended the peanut celebration at Knott's Berry Farm. It's quite different here. It's not as intense as it is at Knott's.
Right.
But
Yeah, not even close. But
they do have some specialty food items. Nothing like Knott's, but they have a handful of items, so we might grab one or two of those and see how Great America interprets food. The pizza actually wasn't bad. It was pretty good.
it
Better
was
than I
hot
remember.
because it was new, it was fresh.
Yeah.
It was good. It was actually, yeah, it was pretty good. And we're gonna we have till 2:45 to grab something else on the meal plan.
So less than an hour. So we can probably get in 2 or 3 more rides, and then we'll grab something else to eat.
From probably a burger and fries, so the good grief burger.
Yeah, that's 2 miniature pepperoni pizzas with a burger patty on top, chicken tenders, and a side of bacon cheddar fries. Good grief. And there's some desserts, there's some beverages, non-alcoholic. But yeah, we'll check in when we have more.
Yeah, and real quick, there's a lot of things that are closed. And when I say things, I mean like food venues that are closed for whatever reason. Again, this park, California's Great America, they've said that they're closing it down in
2033.
2033. So the countdown is on. It's not crowded, really. There's a good amount of people out here, but it's not crowded.
Yeah, it's very manageable.
Yes.
Considering they opened at 10 and they're staying open till 8, you can get a lot done because it's just not crazy.
All right, not a whole bunch of rides, but the rides that they do have are decent. It's no Six Flags.
It's no Magic Mountain.
Well, it's no Magic Mountain, yeah. Six Flags, Discovery Kingdom maybe, but it's definitely no Magic Mountain. But it's a Cedar Fair property.
So it's cashless. If you do have cash, you can go to a kiosk and put some money on a card and use that around the park, just like you could do at Knott's Berry Farm. And they do have a water park here, but I think it's within the park as opposed to at Knott's. It's outside of the park.
Yeah, across the street,
Yeah.
down the block.
And it's a really nice day. I mean, there's not a
It
cloud
really
in
is.
the sky.
It really is a
And
nice
it's
day.
very warm. but
Kinda
it's
breezy.
Not,
There's
it's
a breeze.
not hot at all. Probably in the 70s. Yep, 72. Very nice.
So yeah, we'll be checking in with you guys a little bit later. Probably somewhere when we sit down again. And the kids are on the Scrambler. It's a Scrambler type ride, if you know what I mean. Scrambler. Spin, turn,
Yeah, the whole ride spins and then each car kind of spins, but it's not as intense. There's
Yeah.
another one called the Centrifuge here that I will probably want to get on. That one goes very fast. This one's pleasant.
Yeah, I ain't getting on anything that spins. It's just not my type of hype anymore.
That's
Used to be. But yeah, used to be, but now.
He's the thrill seeker. I just like going around in circles.
Yeah, I want to get on something that goes as high in the air as possible and comes down as fast as possible. That's my hype.
And there is something called the Railblazer here that neither of us have seen or experienced. I don't know if I have the audacity.
That's probably where everybody's in line for, if it's even open. But yeah,
And this park does have 2 wooden roller coasters. So the Grizzly, which I've been on, and the Gold Striker is the new one.
I've never been on Gold Striker. I haven't been here in decades.
Neither of us. I think I was here, let's see, 11, 12 years ago.
Yeah, and me, it's early 2000s.
So yeah.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
I think that's the favorite thing for them. They put that oil too for protection of any spirit. Yeah, that's what they do.
Oh, look at the line for that. Let's nod and say we did.
Why are the water rights closed? It's so hot.
Oh, it runs every half an hour. So here's the water park. It's called South Bay Shores. This is called Delirium. It's got a sister at Knott's Berry Farm. Let's go over and take a look at the water park real quick since we're here. Now, when I was a kid, this was called Nickelodeon something. I can't even remember. But this is a lot more Bay Area focused than it used to be. South Bay, which is where we are in the Bay Area. I don't think the water park's actually open. It looks like they're just training lifeguards right now.
Wait for the bucket, you guys. Wait for it.
Well, it looks like it's tilting.
That's what's tilting right now. Go, do it. Come on, come on.
Boom!
They're doing an employee thing right now.
Yeah, they're training.
Wait.
That
Yeah,
looks
that's
like
why,
it's
that's why there's this thing here, because they're training.
the kids section, the little kids section here. And then there's more way back there. Here, dude.
Here's like all this like clothes and stuff. Yeah, wool and stuff. There's these. Yeah, they don't have my name on those. Sad. That makes sense. Not a lot of people have my name, which is unfortunate, but it's alright. I understand. There's more stuff over here. I was wondering if there's some basketballs in here, but I guess not. Oh, they got a French fry. Oh, they do. They have the basketballs. That seems kind of cool that I test them out. These are the Psycho Mouse and then the Gold Striker. Those are pretty cool. Then they have other ones. They have the Grizzly, the Patriot, and then they have the Flight Deck. Cool, 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 cool. And then yeah. Yeah. I mean, you saw the whole store? Yeah. It's coming back. See, guys.
Oh, that's not looking good. That's touching.
I'm not going anywhere. Well,
Look what we found.
I never get tired of that music.
Stuffed churros. Oh, here we go. Look.
the Peanuts game.
Marcy. Let's see my. Want to meet Marcy?
Oh, can we go to this?
Sure.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. Don't wait. Go.
Shell.
Wait your turn.
Wait till they're done.
Oh, would you look at that?
Go ahead.
Can you buy us some Wendy's, please? Wait. Hello.
All I remember
I don't think it's working.
is your boy dancing like this.
Look at guys. Would you look at
You hear
that?
so now, Julius? You hear him screaming on that? That ride doesn't get taller than 8 feet off the ground.
Hold on, let's see.
Let's go.
Let's see what it looks like.
It looks like fun.
There's see Sally,
Look at it.
Lucy, Franklin, and that.
It's not. Oh, look, there's a show.
Ride level 1.
Let's exit, dude.
Oh no, that's the exit. why they didn't fill it up. There's a lot of empty seats here. This is another one of those that has a twin at Knott's Berry Farm. There is one just like this at Camp Snoopy and another one, I can't remember the area, but they have one for the adults and the larger kids in another area at Knott's Berry Farm.
Up there pretending like he's asleep. You're that bored, but you won't get on nothing else.
Baltic. Baltic or Baltic?
All right.
The good grief burger.
There's a good grief burger,
The grief burger is like a pizza.
roasted corn.
It's a pizza burger with like chicken too.
We've got hot dogs. This is all the specialty stuff. Buñuelos and peach cobbler. And the beverages are over there. Orange creamsicle, pina colada, Shirley Temple, and classic.
I think I'd want.
Looks like this is
Really
in
good.
addition to the part of Planet Snoopy we just left. So this was actually bigger than Knott's Berry Farm.
What's up, guys? I forgot what restaurant we were at. My bad, guys. But yeah, we're gonna get some food. They have this like this burger, I'm pretty sure, that has it's like a and the buns are like pizza. They have cheese and pepperoni on them.
Look, dude. Look how beautiful
Ooh.
that is.
And that's on the bun and it's cooked on there. And then there's the meat patty and then the chicken. And then the other bun that's also pizza looking. And then and then there's fries too. Yeah, pretty cool. We'll get back to you guys when we have our food.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
No, it's a different one. You gotta.
Oh, never mind. I was plain, but never mind. Nah, I'm not paying $10 for plain.
No, is there a plate on the bottom?
Oh, on the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Whatever's holding this one. There's not a stick, it's just the husk. On my nose. Great.
There's lime on that.
That's very good. Nice.
Wish they put more of the toppings on, but
Yeah. Use your finger and brush it around.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed your ride. Have the best day here at California's Great America.
What are these games?
carnival games.
Mmm.
No. They're not free. And if you win something, you got to carry it around the whole park.
I wouldn't mind if I won a basketball.
Yeah, but who's going to pay for it? Look at that line.
Nah, he's way too shy.
Yeah, of course it looks good. And then you get over there and you don't win.
Stop! More. Ooh, can we go to this?
Let's see where the line starts. That line is long.
Oh, okay, never mind then. No, never mind. We can just. Huh. Oh no, we didn't bring a map.
What do you need a map for?
To see where we're going.
You see the cars over there?
That is so weird.
get on the cars? Huh? These cars.
Oh, well, sure. Sure, no problem. Dude, you want to get on these cars?
Look at the line.
Oh, Larry the singing chicken. Mom, Larry the singing chicken. Oh, poor Larry. Larry the singing chicken. Poor Larry.
The demon.
That used to be my favorite ride.
Poor Larry. Oh, man. Look at the flowers, Mom. They're so beautiful.
They are. All the lines are long because it's the middle of the day.
Wasn't like that in January.
Isn't it beautiful?
Button.
It is warm. There's the Berserker. And the Railblazer.
Oh, look at that, you guys. It's like one of these, Mom, you know one of these things that go like that.
You want to get on?
What?
You want to get on this?
That's a long line. Look.
You want to get on it?
Oh, Mom, I hear the song.
What song?
I don't know. You never heard of it. It's really too loud.
worry about it. Keep going. Next.
No.
Get the next one, man. Don't wait. Go. You're waiting too long. Here we go. Once it's gone, move.
There's a long line. Never mind.
Everything's gonna have a long line right now.
Ah, man.
They find where they want to go and leave us every time.
Right there. They're right there.
Every other time.
Yeah. It doesn't come down slow every time. It doesn't come down slow every time.
See? It's like an elevator.
It's going up slow now.
Oh, we're gonna go to a stop so we can see the car. See, look, dude, this is the guy that so look, this is the Stanley Park over there. There's where you watch the Niners. Look, this is the guy that lives out of the most pictures here. Oh, wait, no, we're gonna pass it out. I like it. I promise you. This is the right, you can see the right over there. Is anybody? The narration.
It's Silicon Valley, not much to talk about.
Before they used to talk about it because Watsy, Marcus, and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Everywhere. Look at his YouTube account. Oh, look at the peanuts. Look, guys, look at the peanuts. Look. Yeah, peanuts. What? Yeah, I know that one.
All right, you guys ready? Hold on. On the count of 3. Well, no, they're gonna count, not us.
Southwest.
Oh, that's the Southwest. So we went last time.
We didn't tell them. We didn't tell the operator to make it go.
That's ready?